Real careful when installing washer and dryers. This is razor sharp. It actually got me last time I installed one, that's how I know. But putting a piece of tape, like a plastic tape or some kind of tape, along these edges. This thing is it's just a razor. It's an X-Acto blade on every single spot there. And a lot of times you're reaching up, putting your arm over to connect the vent hose. So I'm going to be putting some tape across there to save a life. This is my own. This is for a dryer, for a GE dryer. I think they should do something a little bit safer than that. That's crazy. Make it that much better. Both for the installers and the users. You don't want someone to reach up there someday by accident and whoosh,